Looking for a brand new 5-bedroomed home within walking distance to Quinta del Lago, but without that prime resort price tag? Hi, I'm Liza from Mapro Knight Frank. Come and take a look with me. The Berg is set in Quinta das Salinas, a small and private development neighbouring the renowned Quinta del Lago resort. Loved for its proximity to world-class facilities, residents often walk across the beautiful boardwalk connecting the two areas. Whether it's for morning exercise, walking the dog, or simply enjoying the breathtaking scenery of the Ria Formosa. What makes this home so special isn't only the architecture, it's the sense of space, natural light, and connection to nature, with uninterrupted lagoon views from almost every level. This is a rare frontline position overlooking the Ria Formosa Nature Park, and views like this are protected for life. Every property tells a story, and this one is no exception. The owners lived across several international hotspots before choosing the Algarve almost a decade ago. Drawn by the lifestyle, the tranquility, and the understated sophistication of this location. This is one of my favourite places in the home. It's completely private, yet totally connected to the landscape. It's calm, open, and beautifully balanced. A home isn't just where you sleep. This is where you truly live, creating the moments that quietly become memories for a lifetime. For more information about this property, please search reference 4269 on our website or contact me and arrange your private viewing. Thank you for watching and follow us for more exceptional homes in the Algarve.